guys, welcome back to Adele DIY. So today, I'm going to be teaching you how to do back walkover in a few easy steps. Now without further ado, let's get into it. The first step is to stretch out your back and shoulders. For this first stretch, place your arms next to your shoulders and arch back. Twist left and right to really loosen up your back, and then do some arm circles to really loosen up your shoulders. And roll out your wrists and ankles. Now that your back is stretched, you're going to want to make sure that you can do a bridge. Place your hands next to your shoulders and straighten your arms to push up into a bridge. Once you've done a bridge, you're going to want to make sure that you can do a back bend. This is basically just a bridge, but you start from a standing position. To build up to that, you're going to want to practice on a soft, plush surface that's elevated like a couch or a bed. Keep your arms super strong and follow your hands with your eyes as you go backwards. Once you've done that a few times, slowly build up to doing it so your hands reach the floor. It's super important that your arms stay really straight, and you can also get somebody to spot you. The next step is to be able to do a back bend kickover. Again, you can use the sofa or bed to help you. Sit down on your soft surface, reach your arms back, push into a bridge, and then just kick your legs over. Once you've mastered that, try to do it on the ground. This is an example of what might happen the first time you try to do this. Your legs won't be able to get all the way over, but practice makes perfect. Sometimes you will have to push off a little bit more just so you have enough momentum to get both of your legs over. A good tip for this is to rock into your arms so you have your full body momentum to help you over. You can also get somebody to help you to push over your legs, just so you can get the feeling of how much momentum you need. Once you've mastered a back bend kickover on a plush surface and to the ground, it's time to move on to a back walkover. Back walkover is the same basic idea as a back bend kickover, except you seamlessly blend the two steps together, so that it's one fluid motion. When you do a back walkover, you don't actually go into the back bend with two legs on the ground. One foot is out so that it can carry you over, but this is kind of difficult at first, so let's practice it on the sofa to start. Standing in front of your plush surface, put one leg out and arch back, allowing your leg to come with you. Progressively lower the surface that your hands are landing on until you get to the ground. For me, I found it harder to actually just go into a back bend with my leg up rather than just doing a back walkover, but if that's easier for you and it's a good step to build up to, I'd recommend trying it. This is what might happen the first time you try your back walkover. But as you try more and more times, you'll slowly be able to get both legs fully over. And there you have a back walkover. If you followed all these steps and you've been practicing every day and you're still having a really hard time doing a back walkover, it might have something to do with the fact that you need to build strength before you can do this trick. And a good way to do that is by doing a back bend and then walking on your hands, doing a handstand, push-ups, crunches, things like that that'll just build muscle. Those will definitely help. And once you do a back walkover, you can do a bunch of other tricks like a back handspring, maybe even a back tuck or a back layout. And I'll actually be making a back handspring tutorial very soon, so you should come back and check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and comment down below. Also, hit that big red subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. See you guys next week. Bye guys. Mwah.